back at Lake Clinton. We were here last September and we had fairly good luck. We caught a lot of crappie. It was nice, some really big ones, 12 inchers, a little over 12. Now it's early May, I believe it's what, May 6th, something like that. Happened to get the same spot, I-31. And we got the screen house, the dining room, and we have electric, of course. There's my cousin Anthony.
What's up, Mike?
How we doing? We're all set up, huh? Ready to go fishing?
Got everything ready to go.
All right. Well, let's go see if we could catch a couple of fish. We're hoping. All right. The first crappie of the day. It's a good sign. Not a bad one. Another crappie. Old Zig's got one. Small one. 6. All right, Anthony got another one, small. There's something. Uh-oh, could be a crappie. Yeah.
Oh yeah, a little better. Yeah.
It ain't bad. Not bad at all. Let me measure it. It's 10 inches. We got a nice fish here, whatever it is. Get the net. Oh man, dude.
Won't lose it now.
I know. Tell me about it. What the?
Damn. Let's bring it to my pond and run. Breathe or something.
You don't want to come in, man.
He's strong, huh?
Yeah.
Well, at least the knot's good.
Oh, come on. Oh, you.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
Yep. Ah!
What is it?
All right, we got another good one. I don't know what it is. It's pretty decent. I want to horse him. There he is. There he is.
Oh, that looked like a...
I don't know what
Is that
it
a
is.
walleye?
I don't know. No, it's a catfish. A giant catfish. Holy shit. There's a nice cat. I don't want him. It's a bass.
Finally.
I thought it was a big crappie.
Finally.
Nice bass.
Finally, dude. Yeah.
12.
Finally.
All right. There's a decent crappie. Not bad. I'll bet 10. I think he'll go in the box.
Big hard Dale.
This one's pretty close. I'm gonna measure him. Another nice quality little crappie, not the biggest, but pretty nice. Probably 10. There's another one. We're just drifting along this shore and getting some pretty decent crappie. Not bad. Oh, no wonder. I like it's pulling way harder. It's a sunny. Might be a keeper, I don't know. Oh my God.
Oh my
You
God.
cannot catch a fish.
I'm like Andy in a sheep.
It's Andy over there. Another crappie, but this one's probably 9. There's a decent crappie, I think. I think so. Ugh. I don't know, man. I gotta measure this one. Hopefully it's a crappie.
It's a bah.
No way.
No, it's a crappie. And a keeper.
6 feet. Oh yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah. You know, they're all beautiful fish.
They're not bad.
10 inches, not bad, but they're all 10. Finally. Almost big enough. Oh, Ziggy's got another one. Is it gonna be a keeper? Bring him up. Looks like a good one. Gotta be getting close. Right there, it's gotta be right there. Right there. I'm gonna get him this time. Get him up. There he is. See what I'm saying?
Holy shit.
That's what I thought.
That was tough.
Yeah, they're giant, man.
Oh.
Them big giant cats they're a hell to fight, man. Oh man, that's a big fat one. Nice one. Beautiful lake. Couldn't have better weather. 72, sunny. Beautiful day out on the lake. We did pretty good. 7 nice crappie, you know, nothing giant, but some monster catfish, 20 inchers, and a bass, but not a bad day. Beautiful lake, beautiful campground. Let's eat and get the fire started. Some nice peppers, some beef sandwiches, Chicago Italian beef, of course, buona. Some buns with cheddar, cooked down sweet peppers, little mac, some giardiniera, and we're ready to eat. That bone of beef, man, that is
Killer.
yeah. That is Chicago in a bun right there.
Want some gravy?
It's about 7:30, almost ready to get dark. Anthony's in bed, and I'm gonna start the fire pretty soon. Guess who woke up?
I'm back.
He's back. Yeah, I see some blues and
Did you ever use that in
greens, some blues and greens.
the wood?
Do you believe that? Them raccoons ate all our minnows. We'll go out fishing maybe with artificial bait.
I don't know.
There's a nice one here, folks. I don't know what it is, but I got a spinner. Wow, holy Christ.
It's got to be a catfish again.
On a spinner? I don't want to horse him. All right, I'm going to get him up this time. He's got to be tired. He don't want to come up. I don't want to break the line, but yep. Big cat. Another big cat. Meow. I didn't think it was a cat though, because it took a spinner. Yeah, big one. Too bad we ain't eating catfish, huh? It would be good. There's another one. Not bad.
They're all about the same size.
Yeah, it's a decent one, yeah. Well, maybe we'll stay right here. Yeah, that's a good solid 10, not bad. Catfish? Uh-huh. All of a sudden you want some. Well, there's another little guy. big one. Oh, man. You gonna make it?
I don't know.
Is he tiring you out, or are you tiring him out? There he is, there he is. Oh, it's a big catfish. There he is. Holy shit, it's huge. Oh my God.
Holy shit! My arm is killing me.
I know, I could imagine.
Wow.
Look at the size of that. Holy moly, that's a good 22 inches. All right, get rid of him.
Ugh.
There's another one. They're all the same size this year. Now, another small crappie. Oh no, this one's better. Yeah. Take it easy, old Bubba. Oh, that's a keeper.
What?
Would be a keeper. Nice 10-incher there, easy. Maybe plus. Not bad at all.
Looks like a bass.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, there's a, wow, a nice one.
A huge one.
Wow, that's a decent one.
Holy moly. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, nice one.
Now we're talking here. Let's measure them.
The
We're definitely bringing a pan, some oil, and some breading next time.